ladies and gentlemen. Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV extraordinaire here at NuCamp. And we're here today to show you the new 2019 Tab 320. This is the BoonDock Edge Edition. And who I have here today is I've got Colton Hatch, and he's going to be doing the show through with us.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm excited.
Glad to have you here.
Hey, absolutely.
Good deal. Let's get on to this show through. Okay, so what do we got going on in the front here?
Yeah, so the first thing you're going to notice is that big LED light up on the front, up top.
That's part of the BoonDock Edge series.
Yes, part of the BoonDock Edge series, brand new for all 2019 models. And then standard with all of the BoonDock Edge, also you'll get the diamond-plated aluminum battery propane tub. You get this nice platform for some extra storage gear. The spare tire will also come mounted now on the tongue as well. And then you get these jack pads also for you.
Awesome. Well, let's see what we got around the side here. So now you've got a couple of new things that are on the side. What do you add?
Yeah, right off the bat, you got this cargo netting on the door again. Extra storage gear. You got this new entry door handle. BoonDock engraved right in there. Looks real sharp.
So this is 320S.
Yep.
So now you're still going to have the same thing as far as for the outside. You have the door for the access. You're going to bring the table out here.
Baggage door, your lagoon bracket for your table outside. And then also the new BoonDock Edge graphic as well.
And then your 110 outlet. And then on the back, what have you changed back here?
Yeah, so you have your two spotlights. Add ample lighting for you at your campground or wherever you're at. And then this one is equipped with solar on the roof, flexible mounted solar panel.
Awesome. Well, let's go show them what the inside looks like. All right, so we're on the inside. So nothing's really changed. Well, there's a couple things that changed, but what do we have inside here?
Yeah, so you have your bed inside, 73 by 70. Folds down, make your bed. Your cushions will slide down. There's some slats that'll go straight across here to make your bed. This table swings around, swivels 360 degrees. Also, it'll mount on that bracket that we showed you outside. And then also you still have your Jensen Entertainment Center in here.
So we have the TV, you're going to have the AM, FM, CD stereo with a DVD player, Bluetooth, all that good stuff.
Yep, and there's an aux cord in there too.
Okay. Now this one has the Aldi system. Yep. That's for your heat and water heater, right?
Yes, sir. So
is it still the 3010?
They're coming with the 3020 now.
Oh, 3020. HE.
So a few new options, features in there, such as the high altitude feature. People out west really seem to get into that.
Okay. That's a good thing. I know I've saw a couple things about that. Now the nice thing about your air conditioning system being this window AC is the fact that you don't need as big of a generator if you decide you want to run this out in the boondocks. Now as far as you still have the charging ports back behind the bed when you lay it down for a bed.
Correct.
And you still have the same storage.
Yep.
Of course your breakers and fuses are down by your legs. 110 outlet. You're still going to have the nice three-way refrigerator here. So it's a three-way, 2-burner cooktop, as well as you have a new sensors there. It's a new system for you to check your levels in your tanks and battery and so forth and turn your water pump on. Now, of course, you can see the shower is going to be basically the same as the last one, right?
Correct.
Now, I take it the sink, if you want the sink as an option in these, in the bathroom.
Yep.
And then, of course, you have access for the water pump back behind there. And notice that they actually do let you cover up the toilet paper so that it doesn't get all wet. And they do give you a mirror in there for those of you that might need that. So that's pretty much it for this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The 2019 Tab 320S. This is the BoonDock Edge series. And I want to thank Colton here for doing a show through with us. I hope you enjoyed it. And reach out to me if you have any questions on this particular RV or any